22-year-old runner overcomes a rare disorder to return to racing and inspire others. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has the report.
A 22-year-old runner is proving that a rare disorder won't stop her from reaching the finish line. After years of unexplained symptoms, Joanne was finally diagnosed with hyperexcitability syndrome that began as a tingling sensation in her legs.
So hindi ko po siya masyadong pinansin that time. And hanggang parang lumalala na po siya, parang yung hita ko po, umaalo na siya sa sobrang galaw po ng mga nerves po sa legs. Hanggang sa parang contradicting na po yung movement niya. Parang nanigas na po yung legs ko. Nahirapan na po ako na i-bend po siya.
The attacks, triggered by stress or extreme temperature, lasted for hours and left her in pain and struggling to breathe.
Sobrang nakakalungkot kasi hindi ko na po magawa yung mga nagagawa ko po before. 2 years po before ako ma-diagnose.
After her diagnosis, Joanne was prescribed medication to help manage her symptoms, allowing her to gradually return to running. According to an expert, patients with hyperexcitability syndrome need to recognize and avoid their triggers to help control symptoms.
Avoid the stressors. Kung ano nagtitrigger. You have to identify ano mga factors are nagtitrigger. Then you have to avoid the triggers. Like noise, stress, certain foods.
Slowly, Joanne returned to her passion for running. Just this year, she completed her first 10-kilometer run.
Nung mga times po na pakiramdam ko, na-limit po ako nung condition ko, nawalan po ako ng tiwala sa sarili. Si running po, siya po yung parang naging outlet ko or parang naging therapy ko po during that time.
For Joanne, every stride is a triumph.
Parang I can do so much better than I thought. And mas natutunan ko po na i-celebrate yung small wins po.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.